السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
عليكم السلام.
كتب honey.
Amazing, so nice. Thank you so much, honey. Okay, so now let's start. We are 27, so let's start. Hello, my little scientist. Welcome to our online science class. I'm teacher Riham, your science teacher. You can say رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. In the name of Allah, we're gonna start, okay? May Allah protect Saudi Arabia and all Islamic. May Allah protect Saudi Arabia and all Islamic countries from any dangers. Okay. Let's start. Bring your notebook to write again the title of our lesson. If you saw the video, so you can write today.
Yes.
Start with letter.
Yes.
Start with letter L. I.
L I
Q.
Q U and
I. D. S. Yeah.
liquid.
Yeah. Liquids. Liquids. Amazing. Liquids and gas.
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 Gas. S. And E. Where is E? E. Liquids and gases. This is the title of our lesson today. So today we will talk about liquids and gases. Liquids and gases.
Liquid and gas.
Okay, honey, please, please, all of you, please, grade 1, follow our online class rules. Be prepared all the time. Turn off your camera, turn off your microphone, okay? Just if I call your name, you can open it, okay, honey? So today, inshallah, we will talk about liquids and gases, our objectives. We will describe the properties of liquids and gases, okay? Okay, what is the matter first? What is the matter? We know that all things around us are made of matter. All things around us are made of matter. Yes, Ahmed Hamshaddu, tell me, Ahmed. All things around us is made of? Ahmed Hamshaddu, are you here? Okay. Yes. Who can answer me? Yes, Badr.
Yes.
Ahmed. So, Ahmed, all things around us are made of?
Yes.
Yes, are made of honey. What, honey?
Yes.
Yes, are made of matter. All things around us are made of?
Matter.
Amazing, are made of matter. Thanks a lot, honey. And what about the matter? Anything that takes up space and has mass is called matter. Anything that takes up space, takes up space, what, honey?
Space.
Okay, so please mute your microphone and listen to me. So is anything that takes up space and has mass, okay? The water here inside the cup, so it takes up space, and the cup also takes up space and has mass, okay? The air here takes up space and has mass if we put it in the balloon, okay? The wood here takes up space and has mass, okay, honey? So matter is anything, yes, Omar Maher, matter is anything that takes up space and has
Mass.
Has mass. Amazing. Tell me again, matter is anything
That takes up space.
and has
Mass.
and has mass. Amazing. So matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. Okay. Thank you so much, honey. So matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. And we have how many kind of matter, Thanayan? How many kind? Yes, yes, Thanayan?
Teacher in the free.
Yes, Thanayan. Where are you, Thanayan? How many kind of matter? Okay, Faleh. Where are you, Faleh? Faleh. Where are you? Amr Haytham. Yes, Amr Haytham. Muhammad Saad, mute your microphone, honey. Amr Haytham. Where are you? Asil Faiz. Asil Faiz.
Yes, I am Asil Faiz.
Asil, tell me, how many kind of matter? 3 or 4?
One.
Huh, kind.
What?
Form. How many kinds of matter? How many form of matter?
4.
3 or 4? Okay. Look well.
3.
4. 3, yes. Solid.
Teacher. Solid and liquid.
Gas. Solid gas.
Solid and liquid.
Solid gas and liquid. Solid gas and
Liquid.
liquid. Amazing, honey. Okay, thank you so much, honey. Okay, can you help here? Oh, sorry. So again, can you help? Where is it? Okay, here. Can you help the here the mouse to eat the solid matter? The solid matter. Yes, Ziad. Can you help the mouse? Ziad. Ziad. Yes, Ziad. So tell me, honey, can you help the here the mouse to eat the solid matter? I will ask you and you say yes or no. Huh? The table is a solid? The table is a solid or no? Ziad, where are you?
Nose.
The table is a solid, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, the table is a solid. The table has a fixed shape. What about the car? Car is a solid?
No.
Car has a fixed shape. Car has a fixed shape. So it's a solid or liquid?
Liquid.
Honey, it's a solid. What about the car? Can you put the car inside anything and the shape will change? Will not change, okay?
Change.
Not a change. So the car is a solid. The car is a solid. Is a
Solid.
yes. What about the water? Water is a solid or liquid?
Liquid.
Amazing. What about the pencil? Is a solid or liquid?
Liquid.
Pencil, solid or liquid?
Pencil.
Is pencil is a solid or liquid?
Liquid.
Tell me, honey, Ziad, pencil. The pencil has a fixed shape or no?
No.
Has a fixed shape, honey. Solid has a fixed shape. Solid has a fixed shape. Sorry, pencil has a fixed shape. So pencil is a solid. Pencil is a solid, honey. Ziad, pencil is a solid. Pencil is a
وين هي؟ لا في معي حقة المشاعر.
بتال, mute your microphone, بتال. Ziad, pencil is a solid. Pencil is a. Where are you, Ziad? Okay, yes, Ibrahim.
Teacher, me Faleh, please. Yes, teacher, Ibrahim.
Yes, Faleh. So wait, Ibrahim, after Faleh. Faleh, what about the milk? Milk is a solid or liquid?
Mouse.
Faleh, look well, Faleh. Milk.
Liquid.
Yeah, maybe it's a liquid, so the mouse cannot eat it. What about the book? The book is a solid or liquid?
Solid.
Yeah, amazing. It's a solid, it has a fixed shape. What about the juice? If you have an orange juice, it's a solid or liquid?
Shoes.
It's a liquid. It's a. Thank you so much.
Shoes.
Thanks a lot. Okay, so now listen to me to learn more about the liquid, okay? So first, what about the liquid? Liquid is a kind of matter. Liquid is a kind of matter. Also, solid is a kind of matter. Liquid doesn't have its own shape, but liquid doesn't have its own shape, okay? Look here, honey, at the water here. Does the liquids have the same shape here? Does the liquids have the same shape? Look at the picture number 1 and picture number 2. If all of this are water, but we add the water here in this cup and also in this container and another cup, so the liquid doesn't have the same shape. The shape of the liquid, it's a change. Yes, Ibrahim, tell me about the shape of the liquid. It's a fixed shape or can change? Ibrahim? Yes, it can change, honey. Thanks a lot. So a liquid shape can change. Liquid shape can change. So the liquid take the shape of the container it is in. The liquid take the shape of the container it is in. If we put it at this container, a long cup, so take the shape of this cup. If you put it at this tub, so take the shape of this tub. If we put it in this small cup, so take the shape of this small cup. Okay, honey? So liquid, yes, Nawaf, liquid take the shape of the container it is in. Yes, Nawaf? Liquid. Yes, Nawaf. Tell me, honey, liquid take the shape of the container it is in. Take the shape.
No. Yeah.
Yes, honey, tell me. Take the shape of the container. Take the shape of the container it is in. It is?
In.
Yes, amazing. Take the shape of the container it is in. Thanks a lot, Nawaf. Okay, I wanted to tell you about something, about my day. Okay, in the morning, I must drink water, okay, because it's very important for us and we cannot live without the water, okay, honey? And also, I can drink the milk. It is so nice and it is also very important for your bones, for your leg, for all of your body, okay? And I can make a coffee for me, but you cannot drink it. I'm feeling good if I drink this coffee. Also, maybe I have a tea, okay, or I drink a tea, and also the juice, maybe in afternoon, okay? Can you tell me about all of these things? Tell me the matter of these things. It's a solid or it's a liquid, Ali Gamal? Yes, Ali? Where are you, Ali?
Yes, teacher.
Ali, can you tell me, honey, about the water? The water, it's a solid or liquid?
What, teacher?
Tell me about the water. What about the water? It's a solid or liquid? Yes, honey?
What, teacher? What?
Tell me, honey, what about the water? The water, it's a solid or liquid?
Liquid.
Amazing. Tell me about the milk. It's a solid or liquid?
Liquid.
Tell me about the juice. It's a solid or liquid?
Liquid.
Liquid. No. Only Ali Gamal. All of you mute your microphone. Yes, Ali. What about this coffee? It's a solid or liquid?
Liquid.
Amazing. What about this tea? It's a solid or liquid? Faleh, turn off your
Liquid. Liquid.
Abdul Malik, turn off your camera. Yes, honey, it's a liquid. Tell me about this cup. What about the cup? The cup is a solid or is a liquid?
Solid.
Amazing. It's a solid. Thanks a lot, Ali Gamal. Super. So all of this are water, milk. Mute your microphone. Water, milk, juice, coffee, and tea. All of this are liquids. Liquids. Okay. How can tell me here which is liquid and which is a solid? Yes, Yusuf Khalid. Yusuf. All of you mute your microphone. Yes, Yusuf Khalid.
Yes.
Yes, tell me, Yusuf, what about the water? It's a solid or liquid?
Liquid.
Amazing, honey. The water has fixed shape or doesn't have fixed shape?
Doesn't have.
Amazing. Super boy. Yes, Nuaiman. Tell me about the car, Nuaiman.
Yes.
I tell you, honey, turn off your camera. Abdul Malik, what about, sorry, Nuaiman, what about this car, Nuaiman? It's a solid or liquid, this car?
Iman.
Yes, Nuaiman, look at this car, honey. What about this car? It's a solid or liquid? What about this part? It's a solid or liquid?
Solid.
Amazing. Because it have fixed shape or no? Can change.
Yes.
Yes, fixed shape. It has fixed shape. It has, yeah?
Six.
Fixed. Say it again. Fixed shape.
Six shape.
Fixed shape. Amazing, Nuaiman. Thanks a lot. Yes, Battal? Battal? And what about this juice, Battal? It's a liquid or solid?
What?
What about this juice? It's a liquid or solid?
Liquid.
Amazing. Because it has a fixed shape or no fixed shape?
No.
Yeah, no, fixed shape. Amazing, Battal. Thanks a lot, honey. What about this tea? It's also a liquid. The pencil is a solid. The table is a solid. The door is a solid. The coffee is a liquid. And the milk is a liquid. Okay, honey? Okay, so tell me now, or wait. Okay, so here, what about the liquids also? The amount liquids stay the same. If we put the liquid in a big container or in a small container, so now the amount of liquid stay the same. If you have a cup of water, you pour this cup in a large cup, in a large bottle, the amount of liquid, the amount of water stay the same. The amount of water stay the same, okay, honey? So what about the liquid? When we put the liquid in a big container or in a small container, now the amount of the liquid, it's a change or no? Adil Naif. Yes, Adil, where are you? Yes, Adil, it's a change or no?
Change.
Look, honey, if you have a bottle of water, you pour it in this or in this big cylinder or big container or in a small container. Now what happened?
Small container.
Yes, honey, listen to me. The amount of water, it's stay the same or change?
Change.
Change, are you sure, or stay the same? Look here, it is the same. It is the same.
Same.
So the amount of liquid stay the same. If we put it in a big or in a small, it is the same. It is the same. Okay, honey?
Same.
Okay, thanks.
Okay.
Some liquids can flow slowly, like the honey, like the ketchup, because it is thick. Others can flow quickly, like the oil and like the milk. Okay, honey? So what about the solids? Some solids can flow slowly, like that. Yes, Ali Abdullah?
Yes.
Yes, which liquids can flow slowly? Because it is thick. Liquids can flow slowly.
Honey.
Honey, and what else?
And
Ketchup and amazing. And which flow quickly, honey Ali? Which flow quickly? Like that? Milk.
And
Oil.
oil and juice.
Yeah, amazing. And juice and
like water.
Then amazing.
Like water.
Thanks a lot. Yeah, you get it. Thanks a lot, Superboy. Okay, so others can flow quickly, like the oil, like the milk. Okay. Okay, honey. Now, how are liquids and solid the same? How they are the same? Write a fact that is true about both. Number one, solid has its own shape. Liquid doesn't have its own shape, okay? So tell me, how are liquids and the solids, they are the same? Yes, Elias. Tell me, Elias.
Yes, teacher. What?
Tell me, honey, how are liquids and solids the same? How?
How? Liquid and solid the same.
Yes, how they are. Yes, number one, solid. Tell me about the solid. Solids has its own
shape. Yeah, teacher. 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 Teacher.
Don't kick your teacher.
What it is?
Teacher. Don't kick teacher out.
Right, this is here.
Teacher.
No, it's here. It's here.
You know the English teacher. He go outside, but he like this here. He outside, I think. Yes, he outside.
I'm here. I'm so sorry. I think it's maybe from the internet connection. Yes, tell me again. What about the solid? Yes, solid has a fixed solid has,
shape.
yeah, its own shape. But what about the liquid?
Does not have its own shape.
Amazing. Okay. So tell me how they are like solids and liquids are
Yeah.
Hmm.
What, teacher, again?
Solids and liquids are kind of
matter.
amazing. So solids and liquids are kinds of matter. Are kinds of the matter. Okay, honey.
Matter.
Thanks a lot. Yes, super boy. So solids and liquids are kind of a matter, but solid has its own shape. Liquid doesn't have its own shape. Thanks a lot, honey. Okay. So again, who can tell me what about the solid? How the solid difference from the liquid? Yes. Where are you, Fahad? Are you here, Fahad?
Yes. Yes, teacher, me Fahad. Teacher.
Yes, Fahad. Okay, so tell me, Fahad, how the solid, how the solid and liquid, they are different. Tell me how they're different. The solid and liquid, how they are different. Number one, what about the solid? The solid has its own shape or no?
Own shape.
Has its own shape.
Because
Solid has its own shape or no?
yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
solid has its own shape. Solid has?
Own shape.
Yes, solid has its own shape. Amazing, Fahad. But what about liquid?
Liquid.
Yeah? Has its own shape or no?
Yes.
Also, liquid has its own shape, or liquid take the shape of the container it is.
We don't have.
Yes, take the shape of the container it is in. Give me one example of the liquid, Fahad. Like what?
Like, I don't know.
Like the water, Fahad. Look at the water. It's a liquid. It's a...
Liquid.
Yes, it's a liquid. Amazing, Fahad. Thanks a lot. Now, how can we measure the volume of the liquid? How can we measure the liquid? If we have a milk, if we have a water, how we can measure it? By the balance? Oh, by how we can measure it? By using a measuring cup. So by using a measuring cup. So how can we use it? By a measuring cup. How we can measure the liquid or the volume of the liquid? By the measuring cup. By the Measuring cup. Thanks a lot, honey. Mute your microphone. Yes, Mishal. Tell me, Mishal, how can we measure the volume of the liquid by a measuring cup?
Yes,
By-
teacher.
Yes, Mishal, how can we measure the volume of the liquid?
Measuring cup.
Yes, by a measuring cup. By a
Measuring cup.
amazing. By a measuring cup. Thanks a lot, honey. So we can, or you can use a measuring cup to measure the liquid. Like this measuring cup, it's called cylinder, okay? Because it has number of millimeters. So you can use it to measuring the volume of liquids. The volume of liquids, honey, okay? Yes. Abdul Malik? Abdul Malik?
Yes, teacher.
So tell me again, Abdul Malik. Liquid is a kind of?
Matter.
Amazing. Liquid. Does the liquid have the same, that has its own shape or doesn't have its own shape?
Have on shape.
Have own shape, the liquids, or no? Doesn't?
Doesn't have on shape.
Doesn't have its own shape. Amazing. Okay, thanks a lot, super boy Abdul Malik. Yes, Radwan? 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 Use your microphone, all of you, please, Radwan.
No.
Where are you, Radwan? Okay, so Haytham? Haytham? Yes, Abdullah Jammah? Abdullah Jammah?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Abdullah. Look around yourself, honey, and give me one example of the liquid. Like what?
Yes. Liquid.
Yes, like what, honey, around you? The milk is a liquid or no?
No.
How no, honey? If you pour this milk, it take the shape of this cup. The milk take the shape of the container, okay? So the milk
Okay.
is liquid or solid?
Salt.
Abdullah,
Salt.
if we pour the milk,
Yes.
it will take the shape of the container, and the liquid take the shape of the container. So it's a liquid or solid?
Liquid.
Yeah, it's a liquid. Amazing. It's a liquid. Milk is a liquid. And what about juice, Abdullah? Juice also is a?
Again?
Juice is a? Juice. What about juice? It's a liquid also or?
Those are
Or milk. It's a, sorry, it's a liquid or solid?
solid.
Juice, honey, juice. It's a liquid or solid?
Those salad.
Honey, it's a liquid juice. It's a liquid or solid? Juice, if we put it in a container, take the shape of the container, okay? So it's a liquid or solid?
Okay.
It's a liquid or solid?
Liquid.
Yeah, it's a liquid. Amazing.
Liquid.
Focus with me, Abdullah. Thanks a lot. Okay.
Welcome.
Okay, honey. So tell me, Aris, how can we measure the liquid? How can we measure the volume of the liquid by a measuring measuring cup? By a measuring
Cup.
Look at this measuring cup like this one, number A or number B, okay? Do you know here how many, what about the volume of the liquid? How many milliliter here? Can you read this?
90.
Amazing. And here it's a
50.
50 milliliter. Amazing, honey. So we can use measure the volume of a liquid by a measuring cup.
Measuring cup.
Amazing. By a measuring
Cup.
cup. Amazing, honey. By a measuring cup. And thanks a lot, Aris. Super. Yes, Talib. Talib. The amount of liquid stay the same if we put it in
Yes, teacher.
Yes, honey. The amount of liquid stay the same if we put it in a big container, in a small container. The amount stay the same or different?
same.
Amazing, they stay the same. Super boy. Okay, honey. Let's evaluate now. Okay. Yes, Rayis?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, all the matter has mass. It's true or false? Liquid has mass, gas has mass, solid has mass. It's true or false?
True.
Yeah, amazing. It's true. Thanks a lot, Rayis. Super boy. Okay.
Welcome.
Super. Yes, Ahmed Abdel Monaim. Ahmed Abdel Monaim.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Ahmed. So, Ahmed, tell me, it's a state of matter. It's a kind of matter. We talk about it today. We talk about which kind of matter today?
Liquid.
Liquid, amazing.
Liquid.
Thanks a lot. Today we talk about the liquid. Give me one example of this liquid. Like what?
Like milk, juice.
Amazing, super boy. Thanks a lot. Yes, Badr, are you here, Badr? Badr? Are they Saddam?
Yes, teacher. I am Badr.
Okay, so Badr, liquids have what and takes up space? Liquids have? Yes, all the matter have what? All the matter has volume or has mass?
Mass.
Amazing. So when I ask you liquids have what and takes up space have? Mass. Liquids have?
Mass.
Yeah, amazing. Liquids have mass and takes up space. Liquids have mass. Liquids have mass and takes up
Liquid.
space. Yes, liquids have mass and takes up space. Thanks a lot, honey. Super. Okay. Yes, Saudi Saddam?
Yes,
Are
teacher.
they liquids? Do what have a shape of their own? Does the liquids have a shape of their own or no?
Have.
Have the shape of their own liquids?
Yes.
Are you sure? Have the shape of their own liquids or solid have the shape of their own?
No. Solid.
Yes, solid have the shape of their own. Okay, so has the shape of their own, but solid have the shape of their own, but liquids also have the shape of their own or no? Okay, so what about liquid? Amazing. Look, liquid doesn't have or don't have shape of their own. Don't have. Fahad, mute your microphone, Fahad. 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 Mute your microphone. Yes, Uday. Answer me, Uday. Liquids have shape of their own or no, Uday?
No.
No, amazing. So we can say liquids don't have a shape of their own. Don't have a
Shape.
don't have a shape of their own. Don't have a shape of their
Own.
Thanks a lot. Uday, super boy. Yes, Salim.
Yes.
But when I ask you, Salim, which have a shape of their own, it's a liquid also or solid? Aris, mute your microphone, Aris. Fahad, also
Solid.
mute your microphone. Yes, which have a
Liquid.
shape of their own? Shape of their own.
Liquid.
Has a shape of their own. Has. I tell you.
Solid. Solid. Solid.
Yes, amazing. Solid has a shape of their own, but which have or which don't have a shape of their own?
Liquid.
Amazing. Liquid don't have a shape of their own. Thanks a lot, Salim. Super. Yes, Amir Fahmi? Amir Fahmi? Amir? Where are you? Okay. Yes, Abdurrahman Ammar?
Yes, Amir.
Okay, so Amir, liquids take the what of whatever they are in. Take the what? Take the the space or sorry, take the mass or take the shape of whatever they are in. Take the yes, take the shape of the container or of whatever they are in. Yes, super boy. Give me one example of the liquid, Amir. Milk, amazing. Milk is a liquid, super boy. Amir, thanks a lot, honey. Yes, Abdurrahman Ammar.
Teacher.
Yes, Abdurrahman. You can use what, honey, to measure the liquid? How can we measure the liquids, volume of the liquids? You can use what? A balance or a measure?
Teacher.
What, honey?
Teacher.
What, honey? I can't hear you.
Not Pixar.
How, honey? No picture. The picture is clear. So,
No, teacher, it's not picture.
Aris, also no picture. Aris?
No, teacher, I see picture.
Yes, it's clear. Okay, so thanks. Yes,
Picture
Abdurrahman.
is clear.
Yes,
Picture.
the picture.
Yes, teacher, picture, yes.
Yes,
Yes,
thanks.
it's not clear.
But it's clear, Aris.
Aris, I'm going to
No, it's
go
clear.
outside and
No,
come.
it's clear.
No, mute your microphone, please, all of you. There is no time. Miss Abdurrahman Ammar.
غيب يا معلوش.
Sorry, Abdurrahman Eid. Abdurrahman Eid.
Yes, teacher.
Are you Abdurrahman?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, yes, Abdurrahman Eid. So you can use what to measure the liquids, Abdurrahman Eid. How can you measure the liquids? Huh? By a balance or by a measuring cup? Ahmad, mute your microphone. Radwan, mute your microphone. Yes, Abdurrahman Eid. Honey, how can you measure the liquids? By a measuring cup or by a mass?
By a mass.
Measuring cup or mass?
Mass.
How can you measure the liquids, honey? Look. Now, if you have a liquids, you can use a measuring cups. You can use what?
And cup.
Measuring cups. Measuring cups. You can use
Measuring cup.
this cups. It's a measuring cups with a number, okay? With a number of milliliters, okay? So